Hello beautiful people, here's Oliver from Pure Spirit Inspiration, and today about how to see things positively instead of negatively. This is a topic that is for me really important because the normal brain, how your brain is trained, is negatively, not positively. That's the thing. We grew up in a very negative world, but not because of bad people. Not because our parents and teachers were bad, no, because they didn't know it better. That's why they teach us what they learned. And what we learned, what our parents learned, were really negative beliefs about the world and themselves. So what you have to do is to train your brain to positivity. For many it seems like positive thinking doesn't work and so on, and yeah, it's true. Just thinking positively will not change your life, but it's a big pillar in your life for success. Because if you not have a positive mindset, you will not succeed, and it's a lifelong journey. You need to focus every day on positivity, not just for one day, thinking positive all the time, focus on positivity, and next day you screw all that and you think negatively again. No, but it's really a thing you have to do every day. You need to train your mind every day for positivity. Otherwise you go very fast into your negative old mindset. That happened to me so many times, and not just to me, to all other people on this planet. So successful people, they work on themselves every day. And you know that. It's true, and you have to do that. But you can decide. Either you work every day on yourself, or you have a life of mediocrity where you think negative and where you achieve nothing really and work in a normal job. But is this really what you want to have long term? Or do you want to have a beautiful, positive life which you create, which you're excited about, and where you feel fulfilled? So you can decide which one you would like to have. In short-term thinking, maybe you don't want to spend the time to work on yourself. But long-term thinking, if you don't do anything, you land here on a very negative place, where you work in a normal job, where you're not fulfilled about your life, where you're very unhappy and your life is boring and always the same. What I recommend you is to get into your mindset this working on yourself, this growing mindset we call it. And it's really that life is growing. If you don't grow, you die basically, and nothing happens. So a life of mediocrity is a life of death basically. And we don't want that. It sounds harsh, but it's true. So we want really to implement the growing mindset and to work every day on ourselves. Then it's not anymore about positive thinking, it's really about growing and working on yourself as a lifestyle. And when you have this as a lifestyle and as a habit, it's not anymore like you need to focus on positive thinking. You do it anyway. And you will go into negative places, but you learn how to focus on positivity. And you do that every day as a habit. It's not anymore something you really have to focus on. In the beginning you have to focus on positive thinking, but during the time, we say after 30 days, or I would say even 60 days, you build a habit. And then you don't have to focus anymore on positive thinking. Your life is much more positive, and your positive thinking is automatic. And that happened to me. And then your life really changes, and it seems like magic because you don't have to put so much focus and energy into positive thinking. It flows more. And that's why we want to think positively, and put in the work to work on ourselves every day. And don't think short term, think long term, because if you put 60 days the work in, long term it will change your life. But short term, the first 60 days are maybe very exhausting and maybe it takes a lot of energy and focus, yeah, but long term it's so worth it. So please start today with growing mindset and thinking positive. If you want to know more about this topic, make a comment down below and I will answer your questions. And let me know if you like this video with a thumbs up. And I see you in the next video. Pure Spirit Inspiration.